How can I make sure that certain events from one calendar make it onto another? Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get more daily tutorials. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new event matching a search in Google Calendar. Then we'll be taking all the details of that event and using it to create a new event in another calendar. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the workload editor. We're going to give our workflow a title. This is going to be Google Calendar event matching search to another Google Calendar. And we're going to select our trigger by clicking in the trigger box. And it's going to be in Google Calendar. And the event is going to be new event matching a search. Click continue. And make sure I'm connected to my Google Calendar. If you have any issues connecting to the apps we use in this workflow, check out the blog in the description of the video. The calendar ID that I want this workflow to monitor is my test calendar. And the search query is going to be the term birthday. So anytime there's a new event created in my test calendar with the word birthday in it, then that event is what's going to be copied into another calendar. And we have a success. We found an event for grandma's birthday. So we will go ahead and continue here. For our action, we're also going to be using Google Calendar. And we're going to be creating a detailed event. And how we're going to do this is just take each item from the first calendar and put it into the corresponding box in this new calendar. So click on the plus sign for title. In the Google Calendar response, the title is called the summary. For description, we're going to find the description. For the location, we find the location. Start date and time. You'll see there's a category of start and then date and time underneath that. End date and time. It's organized in the same way. We see the word end and then date and time. And then we're going to pick a color. So all of these new birthdays that are being added are going to have a little dot of whatever color we select here. So let's say basil is our birthday color. And then I didn't create attendees for the original event, but you could also match the attendees here by adding them in this box. If you want to choose a visibility as being public or private, you can. You can show yourself as free or busy. Any of these fields that you fill out manually will all end up being the same for all of the events that you create. But we do need to make sure you fill out which calendar we're going to add this to. So my triggering calendar was my test calendar, and I want to put these things onto my example calendar. And then we can go ahead and click continue and test the action. And we have a success. So we can check our example calendar. And I can see the grandma's birthday was added there with the date and time and the description and the location. So it looks like our workflow is set up correctly. I can come back to the workload editor, click continue, make sure there's a green dot to each of my nodes, and then I can activate my workflow. And now whenever there's a new event matching that search term of birthday, it will automatically be imported into my other calendar. That's how you can use Workload to create a workflow that copies certain events from one calendar onto another. Make sure and join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices more smoothly. And I will see you next time.